So we got to my parents' house. We drove 18 hours straight to get here. We just relaxed all day. My sister cut my hair. Not too much, but what do you think? I like it. Now we're loading up into my sister's car and heading straight to California. So within a week, we're going from coast to coast.
I'm McKinley. Hi.
And this is the person I miss the most. Hi, baby Mara.
California.
Yay!
Mara.
What is up, my good people? We're out here. I got my backpack, my shirt. I'm feeling good. They're holding hands. It's just a good day. We got the ocean. It's a great day.
Yeah, today we're actually going to be blessed with Corbin's presence. He's such an amazing person. Oh, yeah. This is all Corbin's been talking about since we decided to come here. That he wanted to check out Muscle Beach and get an Arnold shirt. What are you going to do today?
I'm gonna get an Arnold shirt at Muscle Beach, California.
So we decided to do a little bit of shopping. I'm really just trying to find something that is not black, that is not blue or gray, because that's like all I ever wear. And Cassidy's getting some pants. This is the longest line I've ever seen for a dressing room. Stopping home real quick to change. And then we're going to an Angels game. They're playing the Yankees tonight. We made it!
We are finally here at the Angels game, and I'm so excited!
That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. That too. We did get here pretty late, so we're trying to hurry so we can watch as much of the game as possible. What the heck is this? We don't need that crap. Never knew how much of a baseball fan Cassidy was until she just took off running.
Jared always has to go pee at the most inconvenient times. Finally.
Wow. I think this is the first time I've ever gotten to walk down into my seats. Unless I was sneaking down. But you know, I haven't done that much. Just a little bit. This is the closest I've ever been to front row in my entire life.
So Jared went to get us some pretzels, and right as he left, the Yankees got 3 home runs. It was crazy. He left at a bad time. You hear? So loud!
Oh,
Guess what you missed? Got some food,
2
Jared.
home runs?
You missed 3 home
Home
runs.
runs.
Mucho nacho.
Where's your phone? You're saying? We saw this crazy drunk girl get kicked out because she was like yelling and annoying people, and this kid like had some guy come and tell her to sit down, and then she like threw a fit, and they both got kicked out. It was super funny. But overall, good time.
Oh my goodness.
Mara's first time at the beach.
Yeah. I spent it today at, what is this beach called?
Victoria.
Victoria Beach. Just gonna be hanging out, playing some spike ball. Playing out. Look how cute Cassidy looks.
Samara's first time in the ocean. Here it comes. Woo! Woohoo! Yay! We've officially gone coast to coast. Woo! This water's a lot colder than the water on the East Coast though. It's freezing compared to what we're used to in South Carolina. Look at that wave. The water here is also a lot bluer. It's like murkier and folly.
Wait, you want to see me run like a hot lifeguard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slow-mo.